Welcome back. What happened inside a Santa Maricia's home the day an 8-year-old boy died?
His father and stepmother are charged with murder, and a judge is deciding what evidence a jury will hear, including a dramatic 911 call. News 12's crime reporter Eileen LaPalmer has the latest from Riverhead.
He fell down, he banged his head.
The 911 call almost 7 minutes long. On it, you hear then NYPD officer Michael Valva telling the operator he was doing CPR on his 8-year-old son Thomas, who he said fell and hit his head in the driveway of their Santa Maricia's home.
I don't know if he's breathing or not. I don't know if his heart stopped. He fell down on his way to the bus. He banged his head pretty good. I brought him in, and I'm doing CPR right now.
Valva and his now former fiancée, Angela Polina, are both charged with murder for Thomas Valva's death in January of 2020. Prosecutors say the child died of hypothermia after the pair forced him to sleep in a freezing garage as a punishment. Both Valva and Polina wiped away tears as the 911 tape played during a pretrial hearing in Riverhead.
You sure he's not breathing?
I don't know. To be honest.
So at one point it seemed like he laughed when he said his son wasn't breathing. Can you respond to that?
In my opinion, that is a reaction, a nervous reaction.
This is day 2 to determine which evidence will be allowed at trial. At issue overall is whether the Suffolk detectives who gathered the evidence illegally searched, staying after the emergency situation had been resolved.
They did all the wrong things. The police did here. In their investigation, they should have got a warrant.
That evidence includes videotape from several cameras, including some inside the Valva's home. A detective testified today that Polina gave cops the password to get the video.
I'm 99% sure that she's going to testify at the hearings, which is unusual, but she's got nothing to hide.
Angela is blaming Michael, and Michael is blaming Angela. They have antagonistic defenses, and the trial must be severed, in our opinion. Clearly, Angela and Michael were not the parents of the year in any way. They should not have been parents of these autistic children, but they are not murderers.
The pretrial hearings expected to last for the remainder of the week. In Riverhead, Eileen LaPalmer, News 12 Long Island.
Both Polina and Valva have pled not guilty to second-degree murder and child endangerment charges in Thomas's death, as well as the alleged abuse of Thomas's older brother.